hopefully your favorite real estate broker. Yes, it is Sunday afternoon, and I am working hard for you, for my clients once again, and we are doing a home tour right now. I'm getting excited to be able to show you this home. We're going to go through it step by step, room by room. There are so many beautiful opportunities with this home. I'm actually in Durham, Connecticut. Once again, this is Rosa, hopefully your favorite real estate broker in Durham, Connecticut, and we're going to do a home tour. Now, this home right here has had many things done to it over the last few years, and with that in mind, it actually even has an in-law possibility. It has 1.04 acres of land. It has a beautiful bubbling brook going through it. It has views of a pond that's a gorgeous little pond. It has views of a couple of, not yours, but a couple of horses. Now, actually, what I've been told is that you can even have horses on this land if you wanted to, because it's over 1 acre here in Durham, Connecticut. So with that in mind, let's start off right here in the kitchen area, and let's take a tour of the home. Shelly, thank you so much for joining us. Lee, Doug, really appreciate it. And as we're walking through this home, if you have any questions, anything that you want to go through, that you want to talk about, all you need to do is give me a call, right? It's quick, simple, and easy to be able to do that. And once again, as we go through it, if you have some likes, if you have some shares, please feel free to share this with friends, with family. Again, we're right here in Durham, Connecticut. As questions